Hey guys, quick update here to let you know that Draw Juice Studio is moving. Yes, we're doing a bit of an upgrade, going to a little bit bigger place, so that's going to be awesome. So I just wanted to check in and let you know it's going to be maybe a couple weeks before I'm back up and running. So I also want to let you know that in the March edition of Imagine FX magazine, I have a workshop feature where I show you how to take an illustration from start to finish. So it's awesome. I'm proud of it. And the artwork's not too bad either. So make sure to pick up one of those online or in print. And in the meantime, join the Discord server. That's growing. We've got great students in their challenges, or pick up one of the courses, one of my mentorship or boot camp courses. All right, and just keep on moving forward. I'll be checking in, and until then, as always, guys, bye bye.